One of my favorite hinge bundles from Woodworkers Hardware is the one for 5/8 of an inch overlay on a face frame cabinet like I have right here. And in this hinge bundle, you get everything you need. To hang one door, you get 2 hinges, 2 mounting plates, and all the screws that are necessary. Also, you have available to you the technical drawings that will make it easier to build your door, get the drilling distances correct, and so on. So let's get right to it and look at some of the technical information on the 5/8 overlay for face frame cabinets from Woodworkers Hardware. Included in our hinge bundle are 2 straight arm 110-degree soft close hinges from Blum. They are the screw-on variety, and they're going to come with 4 6x5/8 flathead wood screws. Also, you'll get 2 0mm mounting plates for face frames, and they also will include the necessary screws for attaching to the face frame. In this technical drawing, we're looking down at our hinge and mounting plate combination for a 5/8 inch overlay on a face frame cabinet. And you'll notice right there where the arrow points at the blue mounting plate, that's a 0 mounting plate. It attaches to the face frame, and that again attaches to the straight arm hinge for this cabinet. Now notice the flashing green there, that depicts the 5mm drilling distance, the distance from the edge of the hinge cup hole to the edge of the door. And this arrow points to the hinge cup itself. It's got to be 13mm deep. This drawing has important information related to your hinge bundle. For example, on the drawing on the right-hand side, you see there where it says hinge cup hole. That tells you how deep to drill the hole in your door. And in this case, you're going to be 13mm or 1/2 of an inch deep. Then in the center of the drawing, you'll see where it says center point 22.5mm or 7/8 of an inch. That indicates how far back from the edge of your door you would put your drill bit. For example, if you're using a drill press, put the center point of your drill bit, and then if you drill it 7/8 of an inch from the edge of the door, then you will have the proper boring distance, which will be 5mm or 3/16 of an inch. Now, if you have other types of equipment to drill, you probably would be measuring the boring distance, which is 5mm or 3/16 of an inch. So there's a lot of information here related to exactly how deep to drill the holes and where to drill the holes and locate the holes on your door. This chart helps you determine how many hinge bundles you need to order for your particular application. For example, if you look at the door there, the second one from the left, it shows 15 to 30 pounds. So if your door weighs that much, you will want to have 3 hinges on that door. And if you go to the next one, 30 to 45 pounds, you could use 4 hinges on one door. That would mean 2 bundles of hinges just for that one door. So this helps you to figure it out. It also gives you, you can make your determination based on the size of the door. So there's the application for that chart. I hope you like this video with the 5/8 of an inch overlay bundle from Woodworkers Hardware. And if you did, give us the thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe, and if you want to, you can leave a comment. Thanks for watching.